In today's video, I'm going to be reacting to a video titled Police Face Off Against Hostile Crowd During Celebration by Bodycam Report.
On September 16th, 2023, a large group of young adults gathered in a parking lot to celebrate Mexican Independence Day. Police were called with reports of vehicles driving recklessly in the lot and squealing their tires.
I ain't do nothing. Go ahead, do it. I'll sue the out of you. Go ahead. Okay. Aim yourself. Come on. Watch the out.
He ain't do nothing. Y'all don't got the right to do that. I know. Hey, I know.
Dash cam on? You got your dash cam on?
Send me more cars. Julian also sent me a couple tows. Send them from the...
Take care, my boy.
Leaving. No. I want that car. That's it, right? Hey, Desiderio, where's your car? Right over there. We'll block this piece of shit in.
Block this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Excuse me, officer. I work for the park district.
Yep.
What happened?
What do you mean, what happened?
Like, did somebody call about it?
Yes.
Who?
Our deputy chief.
Okay.
Why, are you guys allowing this?
Yes. I mean, they can be here. It's just we told them that they
also
do
can't be doing burnouts and donuts in your parking lot.
We told them twice.
Okay.
All right, thank you. So the third time we were going to actually call y'all, I got a video.
Okay, so it is the burnouts, which is a traffic violation. It could be reckless driving, which is more than a traffic violation. They're already admitting to it through the police, through this corroborating report of this person that we can't see, that these burnouts are happening. The police almost certainly have reasonable suspicion to temporarily detain for a reasonable amount of time.
Hey, look, you guys can't be You guys,
yeah, we know. Hey, that's why we're gonna. The tow trucks are coming.
He said we can be here.
Did he really hit him with the door? Or did he insert his hand inside the car to give the police officer the bird, right? A lot of problems. Look, you have to think that if this case goes to trial, what's the jury going to think? Is the jury going to be sympathetic to somebody who, quite frankly, looks like an antagonist?
You hit people? Back up now. You guys hit people?
Nobody got hit.
You hit people in the face. You hit him in the face. You assaulted him. What way shirt goes? Hey, bro, you look like
I just want to emphasize, none of this is per se illegal, right? You have a First Amendment right. You absolutely can make your feelings known about police officers so long as you're not impeding with an investigation, which maybe they are, but probably not right now. And you're not threatening that police officer. It's not going to make this interaction easier. It's going to be the exact opposite.
But you can't be different. Fuck out of here. Get arrested. That's crazy. What's up? What's up, bro? What's up? Where you gonna touch me, bro? What's up? What's up? Huh?
Hey, look. Check it out.
That's cool. Me too.
When you open that door, you hit him right. Okay. But what if one of us did that to you?
Nah, he was standing there.
He was standing right there doing nothing. I can tell bad. And now you got your face in your head. Like, I can tell bad.
Y'all goofy as hell, nigga. Goofy as hell.
I can tell badge number. 50. That's not your whole badge number. I know how this goes. But what's your badge number? What's your badge number? Dude, that's not the whole badge number. The guy get your whole badge number. Let's go.
How many times I gotta tell you? 57.
Definitely, bro. I know how that works, bro. Hey, you want to get so much? You better look at that badge number. You hit my boy in the face, boy. You like a egg yolk.
Cabeza de huevo, Call your boss, idiot. We ain't leaving to your boss.
As soon as your boss come, I'm gonna tell him to put hands on my boy. Hey. Bill Gates look.
Huh?
You, motherfucker.
Hey, bro, back.
Okay. All right, let's go back.
Put hands on my boy. Hey. Bill Gates look.
Huh?
You, motherfucker.
Hey, bro, back.
Okay, so this gentleman right here has his hands in his pockets. okay? Now, maybe it's the police officer having a short temper and just wanting to pick a fight with this guy. But what I think's happening is he's just trying to get him to show his hand.
Hey, bro, back
Come here, now.
No, hell no. Hell no.
Taser, taser, taser! Or what?
Back the
Who you talking to?
you taser.
Who you talking to?
What the
Back up.
We ain't doing
Back up now. Back up now. Back up now. Back up.
I didn't do nothing. 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 Bro, I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing. No, I didn't do it.
Interesting. Okay, so real life is complicated. There are gray zones. This is why it's important to hire lawyers. So the police officer says he is under arrest. What's he under arrest for? Well, he certainly tried to run from the police officer when he tried to pull out his taser the first time, right? But why did the officer feel justified in doing that in the beginning? Okay, was it because his hands were in his jacket? Was it because he was chirping off? I don't know. I haven't necessarily seen anything that would indicate why, and certainly this is why you hire a lawyer, to advocate for when these situations get messy. No, it doesn't make both the police officers and these individuals' lives easier, but the place you need to fight these battles is in court, okay? Clearly, this is a very difficult situation for everybody.
I know my rights. Don't tase me.
Put your hands on your back, do it now. Put your hands behind your back, do it now. Aggravated battery.
I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing.
Okay, aggravated battery, that's stretching it. Unless he has a weapon or uses a car, I'm not seeing aggravated battery. He's obviously very stressed out. It doesn't even look like he is resisting, how you define it, but really, it's not outside like the standard deviation of it's not excessive. But you know what? That doesn't mean he's actually charged with it. The police could just be saying that. But we'll find out.
Mine's back over there. Hey, car's over here. Let's go to this one. Hey, if we put him in the back real quick, just gotta check his pocket.
Inside to the freight detail, keep them down on Collins Street. Probably gonna be nothing.
You got the ice gonna stick me, poke me?
Okay, so they are going inside of the pockets. That tells me that he's being arrested. Earlier, they were saying the word detained. That could be a temporary detention, but what they're doing now is something called a SITLA, a search incident to a lawful arrest. Once you're arrested, they can do more than just pat you down, okay? They're gonna go inside the pockets. They're gonna find anything on your immediate person. Now, the question is, SITLA, search incident to a lawful arrest. Is this a lawful arrest? If you were the lawyer advocating for this young man, you would say this isn't a lawful arrest, and anything that you find in a SITLA or anything after this would be inadmissible, okay?
Units assigned to the parade detail, keep them down on Collins Street. Probably going to be coming back. Hey, Phil, why don't you guys head back down there because they're probably coming. Yeah. Thank you, guys.
That's your boy there.
Yes.
Yeah.
Y'all good, dog? I'm all good. Okay, all right. Appreciate it. No problem.
The best thing he can do right here is be respectful, which he's doing, but zip it. Don't give the police anything extra, okay? He's being calm. He's in custody. He's not going anywhere. He might have a legitimate case, okay? You fight it in court. At this point, fight it in court. Call a good lawyer. I hope he just zips it the rest of the video.
Smart decision. What'd I do wrong? I'm gonna f myself too then, pig.
All right, I'm gonna put your phone in my pocket. Can you remind me?
Okay. I appreciate you being really nice.
No problem.
I really
Hey,
do.
things happen, I get it, but I get where you guys are coming from. You want to hang out, but you've seen those videos where people are getting run over.
Oh yeah, I've seen it.
The man was charged with 2 counts of resisting the arrest.
Okay, so he was arrested with 2 counts of resisting arrest, but what I want to know is what was the underlying arrest, okay? What probable cause for what crime did they go after him for? I don't know. I'm trying.
Huh? You, mother. Hey, bro,
Yeah, I mean, you know, I don't know. Honestly, look, in my opinion, this is a weak case. That's why, I mean, look, I understand a lot of people are going to watch this video and say, look, the officers felt threatened. It was a very threatening environment because there were a lot of people or whatever, and the people obviously weren't cop friendly. Okay, it's hard. I'm not saying it's easy, but this individual was charged. This is where a good attorney can help. This is truly where a good attorney can help. Maybe there's something we're missing, but 2 accounts of resisting arrest. There's no doubt that he ran. Okay, so if the underlying arrest was in fact credible, but the police officer drew a taser, would try to arrest him in the first place, I just don't know what for. Okay, that's it for today's video. Talk to y'all later. Bye.
Big verdict.